Hi everyone, my name is Vandita Vashisht and today we are at the show flat of a premium project. Well, in fact, the first premium project by Signature Global, Deluxe DXP. The project which has been the talk of the town since it launched, got sold out in a few days and has amazing numbers. So I'm super excited to give you a tour of its 4.5 BHK show flat, and I think without further ado, come, let's have a look. Well, on entering, here's your guest area. Atithi Devo Bhava is what we function on, what Indians function on. We value our guests and an amazing guest area for your beautiful guest. Have a look. Now, family time is important for everybody. We love spending time with our family. When the kids come from school, we come from office. We just all want to sit and chill. And this area, this living area is perfect for chilling with your family, spending those precious moments with your loved ones. Food, I think, is the biggest part of any household. We love eating and we love feeding. And here's a dining area which is fit enough to, I think, for 8 to 10 people. You can easily have your guests here, your family here, and have a gala night. And now moving on to the balcony. I think most of us love to spend our mornings in the balcony. So come, let's have a look. I am just amazed at the size of this balcony. You can have those perfect barbecue nights, those perfect night outs with the friends to host those brunches. This is spacious. And by spacious, I mean insanely spacious, luxurious. And let me also tell you that it covers 3 areas. So this is your lounge area, dining room. That is your another bedroom. Here's another bedroom. So all 3 of it combines and come here. So amazing. Let's go and have a look at the other parts of the house. Oh, wait. Before any other part, let's go and have a look at the kitchen. Wow. This is the modular kitchen. It is spacious, it is grand, perfect for cooking those extravagant meals that we love to cook and feed. And now let's go to the utility area. Well, you get the utility area with the kitchen, which is very intelligent because you need to wash your utensils, you need to maybe do your laundry. And this is the utility room, the room that your help can be in. It's equally spacious, by the way. It comes with an attached washroom. There's also another gate that opens outside, so you have no issues with the privacy, right? And now going back inside the house, faith is a big part of every household, and for that you have a dedicated puja space which you can customize according to your needs. It's spacious, it's perfect for you to have those peaceful divine mornings. And now it's time to go into the master bedroom. Oh my god, just look at the space. It's huge, it's spacious. And I think this is what people mean by master bedrooms. It also has a walk-in closet area space and an attached bathroom, a wash area. It's also very spacious, by the way. And of course, it opens to a balcony. Like I said, every room here has a balcony. It opens to an open space. Now moving on to the second bedroom. I like how there's going to be natural light in every room. So there's natural light. You have an open area to go to a balcony. You have an attached washroom here also. And this is also perfect for your kids, for your guest room, for your every need, and it's spacious. And now we're going to go to third bedroom. But before we go in there, we also have a powder room here for your guests. And now we're going to move on to the third bedroom. Wow, this is perfect. I like the situation we have everywhere. You get so much natural light. It gives a positive vibe. It starts your morning on such a positive note. Also, let me tell you, there's also an attached bathroom which you're going to get here. And now we're going to move to the fourth room. This one's extremely spacious too. I know I've been saying this a lot, but that is what you're going to get here. Spacious room, huge rooms, and there's an attached balcony here. So we have a combined balcony, but this one is different. And you have closet space. You have an attached bathroom here. So in all, the flat is going to be spacious. It's going to be luxurious. Aesthetics are in place. Opulence is the word that's coming to my head right now. A lot of adjectives, I know, but this show unit will give you a glimpse into what your dream home is gonna be like. You can imagine it, you can envision it when you come here, and I would suggest you to not just believe me. I mean, I know I've shown all of you, but I think you should come here yourself, have a look at it, just experience how your future home is gonna look like. Deluxe DXP has been in the news for all the right reasons, because customers have given it amazing love, and you should, trust me, have a look at this project, have a look at this show unit. Until then, I would say thank you so much for watching this video.